Hey everybody, thank you for joining us on this video. I'm here with Sudheer from Juniper Networks, who's been here with
10
Mist
years.
for a long time, and so we wanted to ask some questions. Sudheer's been here for 10 years at Mist, and so we wanted to get an idea, your perspective on how it all started and where you are now.
Yeah. Thank you, Roel. Thank you for having me. Honestly, it's been a dream journey, right? I think for us, you never know what kind of success you have as a startup, right? 1 in 100 startups in the Bay Area actually succeeds and goes to scale. And so the odds are against you. And so what we've done is stayed continually focused on delivering customer value. That's it. If as a startup, if we could deliver customer value, the rest will take care of itself. So the last 10 years, I would say, has been continual focusing on delivering customer value. And then the last 5 years, specifically, acquisitions are tough, right? Acquisitions are well-intentioned, but execution is everything in an acquisition. And we've seen, other people, not do very well with acquisitions. What Juniper has done so well with us of the Mist acquisition is they've acquired, they've empowered, and they've sort of liberated us and said, hey, this is your entire playground. Take Mist to the entire portfolio. So right now, we've launched Mist as the AI native networking platform for all of Juniper. And so we're not a Wi-Fi company, we're not a Wi-Fi AI. So it's Wi-Fi switching, SD-WAN, NAC, data center, and the enterprise routing edge with security integrated. That's the new platform. So, it all comes down to execution, post-acquisition, and before that, just really continually focused on sort of user experience and customer outcomes.
Yeah, because it's interesting to see that transition. You guys have made that transformation as you've gone from wireless to extending out throughout the whole network, even getting out into the internet and getting insights on things. When you talk to customers, what is that number one thing that stands out for them, and especially after they deploy Mist?
Yeah, I think if you look at what's the truism in our industry, right? There's more users, more devices, more applications, more bandwidth every single day are required. But one thing we don't have more of is people. We don't have enough people joining IT as a career, right? And so how do you handle more users, more devices, more applications, more bandwidth, causing more trouble tickets with fewer people? That's where you apply AI. So the transformation we see for users before Mist and after Mist is really just the reduction in the number of support tickets they see, number of user complaints they see after they deploy, right?
Yeah.
I know you are a customer of
I love it.
you're a customer of Juniper Mist, and so that's what we're going after, right? Because AI for us is a tool along the journey.
Yeah.
It is not a destination, right? And so what we've been focused on is how do we use these tools to just knock off one customer problem at a time.
Yeah.
So every single support ticket, Roel, in the last 10 years, every single ticket that comes into Mist, we ask the question, how can this ticket never happen to another customer,
Yeah.
right? Every week, my team is looking at every single ticket that comes in that week and say, what could we do for the AI to apply to so that this ticket doesn't happen to another customer? If you just focus on that, the rest will take care of itself.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining us on the video.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Yeah, and we're glad to be here at the San Diego AI Now event. I think it's going very well, learning a lot of new things, and most of all, we're connecting with a lot of different people. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you.